Two Bollywood spies, two completely opposite ways of hiding their identity. And without knowing it, both of them just explained how Kubernetes secrets work. And which one of them is doing it dangerously wrong? Let's find out who. In Kubernetes, a secret is a spy. Outside the pod, it's home, in transit, in etcd, moving through the system. It doesn't travel as its real self. It wears a disguise, base 64 encoding. It hasn't changed who it is. It just adapted to blend in with the outside world. Your actual password, my password, becomes this. Same information, different appearance, just enough not to stand out. But when the spy comes home, when your pod needs the real value, the disguise comes off. And now you have two choices for where to keep the real identity inside the house. Option 1. You do what Alpha did. You tattoo it on your body. In Kubernetes, that's mounting your secret as an environmental variable. The value is baked right into the OS of the container the moment it starts. Always on, always visible. No effort needed to access it. Convenient? Yes. Smart? Absolutely not. Because just like that tattoo, any process running inside the container can read every single environmental variable. Your app, or a compromised library, or a rogue dependency, everyone in the house can just look at your arm and see who you work for. Alpha may be a great movie, but terrible role model for secrets management. Option number 2. You do what Hamza did in the movie Dhurandar. You lock it in a password-protected suitcase, bury it under the saris, behind the shoes, in the back of a closet that only you know about. And you only go open it when you actually need something from it. In Kubernetes, that's mounting your secret as a volume. A file sitting at a specific path inside the container. Your app has to deliberately walk to that closet, open the suitcase, and read exactly what it needs. Nothing else in the house stumbles across it. No rogue process trips over it by accident. And here's where Hamza pulls even further ahead. If you rotate the secret, change the password, Kubernetes updates the file in the volume automatically without restarting the pod. Try doing the same with a tattoo. Both spies wore the disguise perfectly in public, but the moment they got home, one of them got lazy. Alpha tattooed her secret on her body, environmental variable. Hamza logged his in a closet nobody knew existed, volume mounts. One of them is a spy, the other is a liability, and Kubernetes agrees. The full story and hands-on lab is already on the channel. Real secrets, real pods, real cluster. And yes, we break it on purpose, so you know exactly what to fix on your exam day. Link is right here in the description. See you in the full video.
Mentor.